Thank you so much for joining us on this Monday afternoon. I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Coming up, Cadillac starts production of the Lyriq. But we'll begin with Volkswagen Group. The automaker says it will spend at least $7.1 billion in North America through 2027 to build up its local EV production capacity. That will include construction of a dedicated battery plant as well as overhauls of 2 assembly plants in Mexico. VW aims to introduce more than 25 new battery electric vehicles through 2030 across the group's brands that sell in the U.S. It also announced plans to localize all major design and engineering responsibilities for top hat development of EVs for North American consumers by 2030. And in the U.S., VW brand wants 55% of its vehicle sales to be EVs by the end of the decade. VW will begin to phase out sales of ICE-powered vehicles in North America after 2030. Our Larry Velliquette has much more on VW's efforts at AUTONEWS.com. Turning to Ford, the automaker's F-150 Lightning EV pickup will get up to 320 miles of battery range. That is according to EPA estimates released today. The range is 20 more miles than previously expected on models equipped with the optional extended range battery. The standard range battery will get up to 230 miles of EPA estimated range. That's in line with earlier projections. Ford is on track to begin delivering Lightnings to customers in the coming weeks. Staying with Ford, the automaker's European output has been hit by parts shortages due to the war in Ukraine. Output of the Focus is suspended for this week. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has prevented the company from sourcing a 12.3-inch infotainment screen for the car. In addition, Ford says it is having problems with deliveries of steering wheel parts produced in Ukraine. Ford also paused production of the Fiesta until the end of the week because of semiconductor shortages. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is in Germany for the opening of the automaker's first European factory. Musk plans to personally hand over to customers the first Model Y vehicles built at the factory. The plant is set to produce over 500,000 battery electric vehicles a year, while its battery plant will generate over 50 gigawatt hours a year. Musk originally wanted to start production last summer, but the approval process was delayed.
So good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us. You know, for over 30 years, GM Spring Hill has been an innovator in the automotive world. And today, as we begin a new era, we are innovating once again. Our workforce has spent months training, preparing, and perfecting, and now our time is here. This is the start of our electric future. And it feels really good to be able to say, ladies and gentlemen, production of the Cadillac Lyriq has officially begun.
And Cadillac celebrating the start of Lyriq production today in Spring Hill, Tennessee. The crossover is Cadillac's first EV. GM's luxury brand will begin taking orders for the vehicle in May. It starts at just under $60,000. That's our time for now. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV. We'll see you tomorrow.